something her teacher said. God made the earth and asked us to take care of it. Mika smiled. If this is God's garden, then I should be a good helper. So every day, when Mika stopped by the tiny plant, she poured a little water from her bottle and gently cleared the trash around it. Wow, she's very good, right? Sometimes, she even talked to it saying, "Grow well and God made you special."
Today we're going to do our friend of nature one. Turn back sa balete. This pencil is so cute. Let's go to park. Last trees, Nara. I write at the name.
Sige, identify.
This.
Ito na.
Balete. It's okay. I need to select 4 different kinds of leaves. I'm gonna get 4 leaves that I collected. This leaf is like deer paw. It's layo. Because I'm gonna get the perfect love. I'm going to get this perfect leaf that's so beautiful. I'm done. This one is like that. This one is like a line, and this one is like a line that's going up.
So this is Nara. Ito ay
Balete.
Balete and
And palm.
Pam. So ano na-collect mo na mga leaves?
I collect this normal leaf that like looks like other leaf, but this one it like have this
Vein.
vein. Then this one, it's like a vein going this more up like that, but it's a heart actually. It have to work. Oh, there, it's working. It's working. Yeah. Whoa, it's so big. It will show up there. This one looks like a tiny needle leaf tree, but it's actually a fern. This one is it's an evergreen one that I get at there. It's fun. And this one is the tip of a bush. The tip of a bush, and it's like different color from this other ones.
Ito, heart shape. Ito na iba, no?
That's why I get it there because it's